Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to host your website front end site. Think like the visual of your website. In this video I will show you how to host that. So guys, if you have statistic website or something, just get your GitHub ready for that. Get a repo for your project in order to get this method. All what you need to do is just go for Netlify. After opening the browser for sure, go for Netlify and then go for Legend. After going for Legend, just link it to GitHub as our main source of code. I will just skip this part. I will authorize the access. Then guys, search for the project that you want to do. All what you need to do, I will just hide these elements. I will go for add new project. I will just import an existing project. Then go, what you need to do is just search for your repo that you want to deal with in order to find it. After you find it, just type that repo. So guys, after just typing the project that you want to deploy, you will get some repo elements directly. All what you need to do is just make sure which branch that you want to deploy with using your GitHub one. Base directory, if you have a base directory, just it is really matter that one. npm command, in my case it's npm run build as Nux.js. If you have another framework for your project, just search for the build command for that, and publish directory is gonna be .next. So I will just deploy fake message me, which is an GitHub project that for testing. So project deploy in progress. All what you need to do, just wait for that. And if you have some, let's say, database or some elements, you can update that, guys, for sure. So that's it. How to deploy your project using Netlify is gonna be authorized with GitHub repo, and then you can edit the link and so on. Peace, guys.